strong but with love. Siyempre, mamiss namin siya for how many years? Ako, 28 years in service. Siya ang nag-stand as mayor. Okay, wala na. Kayak tayo niyan.
Kasi he's very mapagkumbaba. He's very makamasa. He loves the less fortunate. He has a big heart for the less fortunate.
Well, what can you say about him as a boss or as a mayor?
As a boss, very inspiring, very charming, has the charisma.
Of course, kasi nasanay kami na nandito lang siya every time. Then ngayon bigla mahati yung time niya to Manila and Davao. Diba? So, siyempre, mamiss namin talaga siya. Ang kanyang presence. Pero sana, hindi niya pa rin kami malimutan. Nandito lang kami para sa kanya.
I was first elected in 1988. I never lost an election. And I owe it to you. So, without the backing or help of the military and the police, and kayo not going to release us. Just because that beneath your backing, and then we can totally erase drugs and corruption. But at least dito sa Davao, we were able to prevent so many errors. I tend to do the same to the whole of the country.